this episode of Cooking with Carson, we'll show you how easy it is to make an ice cream cake. This takes 5 minutes and less than $5. We're not kidding. This is great for Valentine's Day or even a birthday party, and it probably uses things you already have. You need ice cream sandwiches, Cool Whip, and any type of embellishments you want for your cake. You also need an 8x8 pan or any type of unique one in a shape of your choice.
To make this ice cream cake, line the pan with aluminum foil. You have to take the ice cream sandwiches, put them on the bottom, and if there's one more space left, just cut it up. Make sure the sandwiches are tightly packed, and then you put the ice cream on the top. Then more sandwiches on the top. And then you put more ice cream on there. Put it in the freezer. Then tomorrow you decorate it, then it's all done. Frosting's Cool Whip.
And this is the part where you can get really creative. Spread your Cool Whip on with a knife and add any embellishments you want, whether that's cookies or sprinkles or even fruit. Then you want to refreeze. And you can also get super creative with the shape of your pan.
It was a hot cake.
Follow the same steps: a layer of ice cream sandwiches, a layer of ice cream, and another layer of sandwiches and ice cream. Now you might go through making this and think to yourself, I need some Martha Stewart up in here because mine looks like a hot mess. I promise you it's not going to be a pin fail. This is gonna look really bad, really messy. Ours definitely did. But no matter how bad you are at putting this together, not being a cake decorator, I promise you can't mess it up. We also had a lot of fun adding a bit of gel food coloring to the Cool Whip. It makes it turn really bright and vibrant colors. After we took the heart cake out of the freezer, we added our pink Cool Whip and then decided to top it with raspberries. This was such a sweet touch for Valentine's Day. Never will you go back to the bakery for a $30 ice cream cake.
Yeah, it tastes really great, and after you let it freeze, it's really cold, so be careful, because it'll freeze your tongue. Maybe you should try it someday. Thanks for watching. There's a baby right here. This is my little brother. It's really cool. This is really cool. She kind of looks like a heart here. Valentine's Day.